What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, everyone in between? Today we're exploring Browns River in the Comox Valley, where we're going to be checking out some little waterfalls, going to be exploring some river rapids, and just trudging through the bush and seeing what we can find along the way on this adventure. There might be a fall or two along the way, so stay tuned for a bit of a laugh. Alrighty, let's get cracked onto it. I hope my camper stays okay on the side of the road here, next to the busy highway. Alrighty, now I couldn't quite find the full trail. I spoke to some of the local old boys and they said go down this service road kind of thing for all the big power lines. Yeah, just keep an eye out on the right and should be able to find the track into Browns River Falls. I believe the place is called, so we'll shoot down there and see what we can find. Well, looks like we found the right track. Mate said shoot off to the right, so that's what we're going to do. I was doing a fair bit of running back and forward on the main road. Bloody Google Maps said it was just off the main road, but I couldn't find the entry point, and the parking and everything was shocking, and I was running around like a dog chasing his tail. But yeah, it was nice when old mate told me that yeah, just head down Forestry Road, make a right at some point, and mate, Bob's your uncle. You'll find it no problem. It's meant to be a nice little waterfall. Oh, look at these guys. Couple of happy fellas. Oh yeah. Ooh. I hope these can support me. Not quite like wet socks. It's not bushwalking if you don't get your socks a bit wet. Oh, there's the river and everything. Got to find a way to get down now. The track kind of goes along. Yeah, I guess we'll head this way. Little rope here to get down. Look at that, nice. Wait. I don't think we need the rope though. There's plenty of root steps we can make do with. I say that and then I slip over and bloody fall straight on my rear end. Oh, nice. Very short walk. We've had some decent rain the past couple of days up in this Comox Valley area. The river's looking a bit higher, a bit more ferocious. Not anything crazy, but from what I heard, you can like kind of walk through it and everything, and you can still do that now, but high chance you'll get swept away a little bit, just fall on your bum. Anyway, there's more of a little walking track here. We can go along the bank, I think, or take the jump from Beanie off. We're just about at the end of the little trail. Yeah, just like a little pebble area there, and then just old bushland. Alrighty, well, I reckon we might head back to the main road because there's another walking track on the other side to some kind of wilderness area. Honestly, might just chill here, sit down and have a little relax for a little bit. Actually, change of plans. We're going to shoot over to this area. Looks like there's more of a picnic chill area. So we're going to go do that. Ooh. So I left all my bear protection gear back at the camper, so I'm feeling a little bit naked without it. But I don't think I've got to worry about bears in this area. Too close to a main road and everything, and yeah, nah, we should be grooving. The area we can go down. We might hold on to the road this time. Yeah, I think we made it to the spot everyone was telling me about. Oh, looks like we can get onto that rock. Wait. Whoa! Ah, now that's pretty cool. Oh, another waterfall. Got a bit dirty from that rope. See happened. This is a pretty decent little area. I like it. But we better keep heading along the track and see what else we can find, because we like adventuring. And we march forward and back up the hill. Decent amount of track here actually. Thought it was going to be shorter, but no, it's good. Whoa, look at this vibrant red fella. He's like underneath. Ooh. Oh my good heavens! Nude zone? That's a little bit naughty. I'd have to get my shirt and pants off. No, maybe in the summertime. I bet you're all getting pretty excited for that. More ropes. Whoa! Nearly came a cropper there. And again. Oh, this is mighty slippery though. This rope is... I'm glad this rope is on this one. We're backwards now. Oh, goodness dearie me. Not overly steep. It's pretty steep actually, but yeah, just super muddy. Whoa, mate, we're like... Oh. Okay, there we go, nice. Woo. Oh. Oh, no zone again. Oh, how naughty. Oh, this part looks cool. Oh yeah, nice. My shoes wet. All right, time for a bit of a snack break. Oh my goodness, the sun's coming through, hoorah! Might keep marching along. Might have to turn back soon though, because I don't think this is a loop trail. Alright, back to old friend, the slippery slope. See if we can just send it up. Oh, whoa, oh no, I can't send it up. Nah, hey, I'm gonna put the GoPro down for this one. Alright, we made it back to the top without landing flat on our ass, so, we can't complain about that. Better not speak too soon though, actually. Still got a bit more walking to do. I think we might turn back actually. I don't like what the rest of this trail has to offer. Kind of just disappears. You can vaguely see something, but it looks a bit sketchy, and it goes over to a cliffside, and I don't like heights. So we're gonna march on back to the vehicle and maybe make some lunch. I'm hungry. Well, we're going to keep driving. I'm going to go try and find a camping area for the day. I went to go check some down the road a bit, but they're all closed. It was like gated off forestry roads and everything. They look like some good camping spots on Google Maps, but nah, fresh out of luck. So I've got a couple of ideas. So we're going to hit the road and see what we can find. Go to the places that I know that could be a possibility. Yes. Well, I made it to one of the areas I had pinned on the maps, but we might be a bit out of luck. No camping or overnight parking. They'll whack you with a bit of a fine. I think I'm gonna cook my lunch here because I'm real hungry now. Oh, the camp is looking so tidy and clean. So good. I don't have really much to cook for lunch, so I'm just gonna have tuna and rice. Chipotle mayonnaise. Nice and simple, nice and tasty. I'm gonna just listen to a podcast, eat my big bowl of tuna and rice. Oh, I forgot. Oh no, it's working with Chipcast. So I will see you later for a bit more of a walk after lunch. Well, we find a nice little spot just off the side of this road here. And yeah, it's got 5 AM to 11 PM. No overnight camping or parking. Doesn't say you get a fine or anything though, so we'll see. I'll go for a little walk, quick walk to the beach. I reckon I can camp there for the night. If someone comes knocking on my door, I'll just be like, yeah, nah, what sign? I didn't see no sign or reading anything. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Oh, nice. Nice clear blue skies. Oh, blimey. Not bad, not bad. Not a bad little spot, eh? Pretty cool. Not gonna lie, it is bloody cold here, so I might go chill in the camper, whack a jumper on. It's getting a bit later now and I'm actually quite tired. That walk took it out of me a bit today. I checked out the end of the street and it's perfect. It's got a little turning area where we can park up and doesn't say anything about no camping, so we'll be golden tonight. I'm gonna chill here for a little bit and relax, recharge my batteries, do some riding, watch some One Piece and everything, and yep, take it easy for the rest of the day. So, with all that in mind, folks, I'll take it easy now. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay safe, and I'll see you when I'm looking at you. Adios.